Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are running a macOS virtual machine using the OpenCore VMDK method, you are probably tired of seeing a flood of code every time you boot up. So that's the verbose output. So in this short video, I will show you how to disable it in under 5 minutes so you get a clean Apple boot screen instead. Just follow each step very carefully and you will be all set. So let's get started. First, power on your virtual machine and get to the macOS desktop. Now, open any browser and search for OC auxiliary tools. Now click on the first link from GitHub. Under the release section, click on the latest available update. Now, scroll down to the assets section and download the DMG file. So once the file is downloaded, go to the file location and double-click on the DMG file. Now, double-click on OC Auxiliary Tools to run it. You will see an error warning that OC Auxiliary Tools cannot be opened. Here, click on the Close button. Now, open your system settings and then click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down a bit and you will see that OC Auxiliary Tools was blocked. Here, click the Open Anyway button to force open OC Auxiliary Tools. Now, type in your password and then click on the Open button to start your OC Auxiliary Tools. So ignore this warning and your tools dashboard will open up. In the top menu, click on Edit and then click on Mount ESP. Now, select your EFI from the virtual SATA hard drive and then click on the Mount button. Now type in your password and then click on OK. Once done, open your Finder. Here you will see the OpenCore EFI folder. Now we have to edit this config.plist file from the EFI folder of OpenCore. To do that, we will use a tool called ProperTree. Again, go back to the browser and in the search bar type ProperTree. Open the first GitHub link. Now click on Code and then download the ProperTree zip file. Once downloaded, go to the Downloads folder and extract the zip file. Once extracted, open this folder and then double-click on the propertree.command file. Again, you will see an error warning that ProperTree cannot be installed. To complete the installation, click on System Settings. Now, go to Privacy and Security and scroll down a bit. Click Open Anyway where it says ProperTree installation was blocked. Now type in your password and then click on Open again to launch your ProperTree application. On this terminal, type Y and press Enter to install Python. So Python is required to install the ProperTree application. Once the Python is installed, you will see this interface. Now, click on File in the top menu and then click on Open. Click on the OpenCore EFI folder and then click on the OC folder. Now, select the config.plist file and then click on Open. Now, scroll down below and locate the entries for NVRAM. Once located, look for boot-args key. Under the value of boot-args key, remove -v from this string and leave the rest of it. Once done, save the config.plist file and you are done. So that's it. You can now restart your virtual machine and you will no longer see that irritating bunch of codes. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like these. I'll see you in the next one.